Hello, this is CableX Gematria. Just testing my settings here. Just testing that it's working. Here we go. So today I'm going to be doing a decode. So let me start. Big concerns, Walker's Crisp. This was reported, Tuesday. Walker's Crisp shortage causes devastation after people struggle to get hold of favourite snacks. The popular Walker's Crisp has been disappearing from shelves in recent weeks amidst fears of a shortage. People now taking to eBay to sell packets of crisps for well over their in-store asking price. A recent IT system has disrupted the supply of some of our products. Our sites are still making crisps and snacks, but it's at a reduced scale. Then it says, do I have one? There at the bottom says, oh, they're struggling now to find crisps, basically. So by the way, if everyone can hear me, can they message me on the chat, because I'll put split screen on again. So this time I've opened YouTube up, the chat, so I can see what you guys are saying. So so Walker's Crisp shortage in Gematria equals 301. 72 Caldio cipher, like Jezel order 72, 113 Cal keypad cipher, like the word bullshit and mainstream, and 266 like the current Pope, who's 266 years old. Sorry, who's the 266 Pope. And another example of why this might be a bullshit story. Well, not mine, but it is, because Walker's Crisp shortage in Gematria equals 130. The same or similar to the word bullshit, which is 103. And reverse ordinal 301. Reflection of bullshit 103. Bullshit is 113. Walker's Crisp shortage is 113 as well. So undoubtedly this story doesn't hold any truth, because they are deliberately, by the numbers, pushing the idea that there's a shortage in whatever we do. Looks like I'm still streaming, which is good. Let me just go here. For those who don't know, Walker's is a very popular crisp in the UK. Very popular. I mean, it does have, you know, very nice flavors to it. Actually, I should put Walker's Crisp. Walker's Crisps. Oh. Walker's Crisps 42 Freemason. Walker's Crisp in the full reduction ciphers 56 like Society of Jesus 56. Now I'm just gonna check the details of this. Yeah, the story happened on the 9th of November. I mean 11/9/9/11. So date numerology of the 9th. Oops. What am I doing wrong? Fifty-two days left in the year. 313, a bit like 133, government 133. 52 days left in the year. I mean, in conclusion, the shortages is undoubtedly a psyop by the numbers. Shortages just seeing something, so I'm gonna put it in here. Look, shortages is 50, bullshit is 50. So darling, the shortage is a bullshit story because they try to tell you that there's a shortage and you need to panic. Because it's all fear. And the word shortages is 112, like the word theatre, which is 112. Now, of course, shortages happen. They do happen. I'm not saying they don't happen, but they just want you to believe there's a shortage and you need to panic. Okay, I think I'm... So, just be skeptical in any stories, because this is all by the numbers. The practice of gematria, coding numbers into words, goes back to Kabbalah, because this is the Kabbalah system that they operate under. So, moving on now. This was published yesterday. Canadian woman becomes world's first patient to be diagnosed with climate change. When I first seen this, I thought, what the fuck has happened here? Breathing problems is possibly the world's first patient to suffer from the direct effects of climate change. According to doctors, the poor air quality and heat waves are responsible for a condition. The 70-something-year-old was diagnosed after a heat wave by Dr. Kyle Merritt. Historic heat wave in June, followed with a thick smog season by multiple wildfires. Heat wave, smog, well, focus on focus on wildfires. So, let's do the decode. Wildfires. I mean, for those who don't know, the real issue of climate change is weather manipulation, or better known as HAARP. Wildfires is 51, like the word conspiracy 51. As I will show you now. Conspiracy. I mean, look at this. Conspiracy 51, wildfires 51. Conspiracy 57, wildfires 57. They're talking about smog. Smog season. Heat wave. Now, heat waves do happen. There are some weather events that might be natural, but there's something else going on. Weather control, which is also the culprit in this. Diagnosed with climate change. Diagnosed with climate change is 139, like Freemason 139. Because I honestly think that this story is a bullshit story, because it does not make any sense for any individual to get diagnosed with climate change, because whatever health conditions happen while you're outside, because there's so much smog going on, they don't do something like this for no reason. So diagnosed with climate change 139, Freemasonry 139. And if you want to know what's really causing these weather events, these wildfires, look no further than weather control. Because weather control is 75. 75. Weather control is 75. Conspiracy 57. Wildfire 57. Reflection is 75. That's what's causing all these extreme temperatures. Okay. Canadian. Talking about Canada here. So Canada. I mean, Canada gets a lot of positive press for the most part, because it's supposed to be a liberal, tolerant democracy, and Canada in gematria is 138. Wildfires is also 138. So undoubtedly, Canada, like any country, is scripted to have all these extreme events happen by the numbers, because that's what it comes down to. So just see how it syncs up to. December 25th, and story happened yesterday, so I'm gonna have to okay, that's his birthday, 25th of December, because these stories always sync up to birthdays of famous people. "15 days, yeah, and 2 weeks and 1 day away from his birthday. 2 and 1 is Jesuit. Current Prime Minister. Well, though he lost, it says he's the current Prime Minister. Justin Trudeau. Justin Trudeau. So Justin Trudeau, 54, like Jesuit Order 54. Again, the Jesuits, through Freemasonry, Zionism, they control what's happening. Obviously, I've got to type this in. Type it like this. Looks like I'm running short of time because I mean, they call him a communist because of his father being a communist. But we all know it's the new order of the control communism. Yeah, communist is 116. Like the Roman Catholic Church was 116. Communism 139 reverse, so LCH Kabbalah, like Freemasonry 139. So that's all I'm going to talk about today, so see you guys soon.